Does anyone know how a skull is chosen to be put on this shield? Anyway, Tomas the Templar wants me to show you how to paint this glow effect. Now, inks and thinned down oils may be easier to do this with, but in this case we'll use a white acrylic paint since most painters already have it. You can also substitute white with colors like these. Before you ask why my brush is pink, Minotaur Hobby sent us these synthetic brushes, which they call Synthwave. I'm going to experiment thinning with this airbrush medium, but I originally used water. I'm looking for it to flow like this. I'm letting gravity do the work as I apply from top to bottom. Don't stress about coverage or mistakes, and make sure you wick any pooling. I originally used this green speed paint to create darker shadows in the recesses, but then I realized I could have just saved this orc and just based the skulls with green paint. Grab a brush with a decent tip and reapply white to just the higher spots of the skulls. Again, don't stress about mistakes. We can pick any of these to get the job done. And the goal is to just use this step as a filter over everything. And your glove is great for testing different effects. Once you apply it, it will come to life. For the final step, just clean up your mistakes. I'm using black to keep it simple. Yes, we'll have a guide on this in Discord, and I gotta go back to fix some of our older recipes.